Bumper. To remove the bumper, you need to do as the following steps. 1. Turn the ILIFE robot upside down. Remove the screw and bar at the bottom of the bumper. 2. Keep the ILIFE robot up. Hold one terminal of the bumper, pull out the connector and remove the bumper. 3. Replace the bumper. 4. Connect the connector of the bumper. 5. Make sure the clamps of the robot fix that of the bumper. 6. Install the bottom of the bumper. Finally, press the bumper lightly on both sides to check if the installation was successful. The bumper should be able to spring back well.